Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 17th of November, 2022. Tattoo Chef is on the chopping blocks today. We're going to talk about it. I mean, the market has released earnings. Tattoo Chef released earnings on what day was this? The 15th of November. And it was terrible. Yeah, so the market fell, 18% yesterday? Now, before I get started and talk about Tattoo Chef and what one should be doing in this particular situation, I want you all to see this. I did a video for Tattoo Chef. I did a price prediction on July the 15th, and the market action is this. I was looking for the price in Tattoo Chef to trend higher, and you guys can tell I was depending on this downtrend line for us to look for the market to run up, and it did, 11%. Now the market in Tattoo Chef was able to break this downtrend to where it saw some rejection or resistance around 8. So if you guys were to take the profit on those particular trading days, which is right here, that's around 35%. So yeah, you won. It's one thing that these YouTubers don't tell you all. They continue to come in and tell you to buy the market, but they never give you a price target to sell it. They're giving you half of the story. They're giving you half of the picture. You're not giving them the full picture when they come in continually and tell you to buy the market in these stocks. The market is multifaceted, meaning that you have to do two things in order to actually complete a transaction. You have to come in and buy, and in order to recoup the profit or take the loss, you have to sell. These YouTubers need to give you both sides of the story. They don't do that. They only tell you to come in and buy some more, buy the dip, dollar cost average, and then you have situations like Tattoo Chef, to where Jeremy of Financial Education comes in and tells you to buy continually, and you end up losing continually. The last price prediction that I created, I gave you an area to where you wanted to come in and profit from the market move. 11%, 34%. Cool. We move on to the next play. So now here we have Tattoo Chef. When you see situations like this in a market in Tattoo Chef, this is already, you don't have to look at the fundamentals. You don't have to look at the revenue. You don't have to look at the EBITDA. You don't have to do no discount cash flow. The market's already telling you that people don't like Tattoo Chef, that the business as a whole is having issues. When you see a chart like this, this is telling you don't even touch the market. You need to find the opportunity somewhere else if you're looking for a trend higher. Now, if you shorted the market, then definitely this is what you want. When you short the market in companies like this is a dead company now. Nobody should be touching Tattoo Chef at all. Right now, if we see the market in Tattoo Chef trade under $1, that's when the risk for delisting comes in. If Tattoo Chef wants to remain viable on NASDAQ, they will have to maintain price above $1. Okay? This is glaringly not a buy. So the next option that they would have to come through and try to complete in order to maintain price above $1, they would have to do a reverse stock split. They would have to reduce the amount of shares that's out in the market to increase the value of the stock in order for price to stay above $1, because that is the trajectory that price is on, is to $1 or below. Because this is definitely in penny stock territory. Nobody's coming in looking at this market in Tattoo Chef. Institutions are not even trying to pay attention to this market. Now, either they would get delisted in the long term, either they will try to do a reverse stock split to try to increase the value of the stocks per share, or they'll just have to file for bankruptcy. Okay? That's all I'm doing. I'm not even going to touch this market right now in Tattoo Chef, because when you see a market run from just a couple of years ago, 2 years ago, September, the market was up there around $28. The market value in Tattoo Chef is 90% loss. Nobody's looking at this stock, period. Anybody who is managing other person's money, they're not looking at Tattoo Chef, period. Not right now. Now, as time goes on, maybe they could revamp, maybe they could come up with something new that would instill more people to put eyes on the market. But as of now, nobody's even looking at this stock. So if nobody's here then I'm not going to be here. I'm going to where the money is going to go, and they're not going to be here in Tattoo Chef. So I'm not going to put on a price prediction or price target. Just going to find another play. Now give me your thoughts. What do you think? Make sure you hit the like button, and also subscribe here to the channel to get more of the simplistic form as to how money really works.